Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through on how to add and also sell to a client, and also at the end of the video we shall be able to view a customer statement. So I'm going to sell 2 to 3 items to a customer, and let's do pizza, Hawaiian, one of them, and it's displayed on the right side. Let's add another item, let's water, and also displayed on the right side. Then before I close my sale, I'll make sure that I've added the customer. You can opt to have, you can have a customer, an existing customer. You can also have a new client. Make sure that you have their details. You don't want to give your items or your products to a person you don't have details. So my customer today is James. Have their identifications, I have their location, their around, I have where they live, and remember, we in most businesses you only sell to on credit to people you know. That's why it's good to have the information. So the more information, the better, as you understand. And I'm recording everything as we go. Make sure that all the information you have captured properly. This will help as your business grows. I know you'll have more clients. You might need to give them credit, and the more client you have, it's good to have a good database, a clean one, so that you don't end up having a problem with following up your credit. So save the details. Uh, on this, I shall come back to it. We have a credit control. Once you do that, the order will be saved as James, belonging to James. At this point, I'll just pay. With my many options, payment options, I'll use the credit and input the amount, then uh, finish the order. Once you do that, the system will automatically go back to our default page, or our home page as we call it. Then let's go to customer bills, and as you can see, the system have automatically created the credit for James, and I want us to see a statement here. Uh, this is the first statement. We have most of his information. You're able to get how many orders or how many sales have we done to this client, and for now we just have one. So I want us to do some more sales. As you can see, his total bills credit is $41. So I want to do more. And let's sell some more items. I think this guy likes pizza. And make sure that you attach that sale to our guy. Then pay is credit. Okay, for this I'll do cash, so that I shall explain that later. Okay. As you have seen that our cash doesn't add up to the customer credit, but it shows. So we have a history of how many times this customer have been to our establishment, and I'll do another one to do another one. Let's sell. Mhm. two of them. Make sure that you attach that cell to our client. As we go, we shall have more client, so make sure to attach that cell to the client. Okay, go back to our customer bills. Still more sales, no credit today, but our statement is still intact. Jim still owes $41. We shall ask that from him, and let's do another sale. Let's do another sale. Go back. He still owes. Yeah, let's receive some amount from him. This is a good client. Yeah. So once James paid $12, uh, we received the amount in the system and able to get our statements. For today, we have received that much. That amount received today will be added to our sales, so that we shall visit later. So make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you watch as many videos in our YouTube channel, and I know this will help you a lot. For the guys who want to do freelancing, for the guys who want to get into IT, for the guys who want to sell these POSs, this is your chance. This is a chance. So that statement can be printed. This you can send it via email. You can download it as a PDF. You can do an Excel sheet for more analytics. And that's it. Thanks a lot, guys. We shall get back with more videos. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for liking. Have a good day.